I'm excited to show you how service technicians contribute to real-time maintenance tracking in your shop with EMDECS. Have a look at this. How can we save time and money and track repairs in real time? There's so much to gain if we can have service technicians be part of the solution. After all, they know the repairs better than anyone. All we have to do is give them the right tool and make it easy to use, no problem. This is the EMDECS Technician Repair Order. We call it TechRO. There's nothing more here than what a tech will need. Any PMs due, repairs added by the service manager, or jobs not completed the last time the unit was in will be right here in big, clear icons. Literally one click and the clock starts running, tracking the amount of time it takes to complete the repair. When that's done, click the next job. The clock stops on the previous job and starts on the next one. No kidding, that's it. Jobs can be selected in any order. Multiple technicians can use the same workstation. Add parts from inventory in real time. You can also run TechRO completely mobile in a service truck. The results are the same, real-time maintenance tracking with no double entry. EMDECS offers greater efficiency for the organized shop. Demos are free and no question is too small when it comes to the efficiency of your business. Visit us at emdecs.com.